Hey, what's up everyone? This is Rodney Harris from Oxford Cafe, and today we're going to show you how to properly open a champagne bottle. So first, you want to make sure that your bottle is chilled, cold, not just room temperature. It will cause too much carbonation if it is too warm. When you're looking at the bottle, first thing you want to do is make sure you know how to set it at a 45-degree angle. With that angle, you're going to go ahead and start to open the bottle. So you find that rip. Most bottles will have just a strip that you can actually pull, but you want to go ahead and rip that bad boy open. Once again, at a 45-degree angle, do not aim it at anyone. Once you have that, you want to go ahead and find that twist, pull that down. And what most people don't do is when you're twisting it, you want to make sure you keep your hand on that cork. Once again, 45-degree angle. From there, you want to make sure you're holding on to the cork, twisting the bottle. And that's it. That's how you properly open a champagne bottle. And remember, drink more champagne.